Hello everybody and welcome to the weekend where the real work begins. I may work an office 9 to 5 job, however the weekends are where I do the blood, sweat and tears. So for those of you who've been following along and have subscribed, you'll have seen the Willow videos. If you haven't, don't forget to subscribe and click the little bell icon so that you don't get a notification every time that I put up a new video. So the Willow videos, the first one was about the benefits of willows and why you should have it in a track system, and the second video was a video of us trimming our willow trees, and I mentioned in that video that I would be doing a video to let you know what we do with the branches that we cut down. By the way, I'll be putting a link to those two videos in the description below, and there's also going to be cards up here, so click on those to go check those out. So what we are going to be doing today is we are going to go and pick up a shredder so that we can shred the branches, and then they're going to go on our track system. So come with us and we're just going to have so much fun with the shredder. So come with us and here we go. Okay, so we've done day one, so this is day two, this is Sunday. Still got lots of hard work ahead of us today, but we had chopped down a lot of overgrown trees. So here's day two. Okay, so it's been about a week now that the wood chip has been down. As you've seen from those little clips, each member of the herd has interacted with this surface a bit differently when they first saw it, which is fine, exactly what we expected. It is a source of interaction for them, a bit of mental stimulation, and just something different for their hooves to walk over. It is also great as these are some of the muddier patches where we've put it, so it helps them have something not so wet to stand on. Thankfully the ground has actually dried out a lot now, which is typical, but que sera. We've tried to make sure that the wood chip hasn't gone into the fields where it will destroy their grass and obviously stop our hay from growing. So we're trying to keep it in, and it seems to be staying that way quite nicely. I don't think the herd are skipping it out at all. The reason why we've done this is obviously to utilise the tree branches that we cut down in a way that's beneficial to both the land and the herd, which obviously it is. Beneficial for the herd because it covers up the muddier patches, gives them something to think about, and just, yeah, something to stimulate the brain. And it's good for the land because obviously the nutrients that were in these trees, in these bark, will now go into the land, which will hopefully just seep slightly into the hay, which is also good. It's also great because we'll have little insects and all sorts burrowing in it and creating a little bit of a life in there for the time that it is sat on the surface. So good all round. Not to mention it uses it up rather than burning it, which puts obviously carbon dioxide, etc. into the atmosphere, which we don't want to be contributing to. So we're really pleased with how it's gone. Probably something we'll continue on in the future. Yeah, so it's gone really, really well. I hope you enjoyed this video and enjoy seeing how our herd interacted with the wood chip once it was down. We certainly had a lot of fun with the chipper, and we'll see you again soon. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Subscribe so that you can see more videos like this and how we continue to manage the land and the various things we do with the herd. And click the little bell icon so you get a notification every time we upload a video. Check out the Facebook page where there's always more information for you. Join the Facebook group where we interact and discuss certain matters, herbs and little extra tidbits that you won't find on the Facebook page or on the YouTube channel. We're also on Instagram, so check us out at naturally_Willow. And we'll see you again soon. Bye.